Hello, my name is Fraylene Allgaier, and I own a patent law office in Glencoe, Illinois. Glencoe is home to several law offices, banks, and small businesses. Glencoe has a renowned writers' theater. It adjoins the Chicago Botanic Garden, and it is a host of the Glencoe Grand Prix. What is a patent attorney? A patent attorney is an attorney who has the specialized qualifications necessary to help inventors obtain patents. These qualifications include attorneys with science and medical backgrounds. Believe it or not, this can even include former astronauts who decide to become lawyers. Doctors become patent lawyers as well. What is a patent? A patent is a right to exclude others from making, using, or selling an invention. There are three types of patents. 1. Utility patents. Utility patents may be granted to anyone who invents or discovers any new and useful process, machines, article of manufacture, or composition of matter, or any new and useful improvement thereof. 2. Design patents. Design patents may be granted to anyone who invents a new, original, and ornamental design for an article of manufacture. And 3. Plant patents. Plant patents may be granted to anyone who invents or discovers and asexually reproduces any distinct and new variety of plant. Are patents valid all over the world? No. Each country has its own set of patent laws and requirements for patent protection. What are the requirements to obtain a patent? In order to obtain a patent, an invention must be new, useful, non-obvious. Non-obvious means that an invention cannot be similar to prior art, information in the public domain. Does anyone know where patent applications are filed? Patent applications are filed in the United States Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO. Can anyone file a patent application? Patent applications are filed in the name of the inventor. Inventors from all over the world file applications with the USPTO. Patent applications are filed with details about the invention. The details are developed from pencil sketches, photos, or prototypes. A prototype. Some prototypes are made with 3D printing technology, also known as additive manufacturing. This is a process to create a three-dimensional object in which layers of materials are formed under computer control to create an object. These objects can be almost any shape or geometry and are produced using digital model data from a 3D model. The material is added layer by layer. Inventors can be a group of business partners with a business idea, scientists working for government agencies, employees in the tech industries, small business owners, individual inventors, or children with bright new ideas. Do you know any famous inventors? Garrett Morgan of Paris, Kentucky, was the inventor of the first traffic lights. After witnessing a collision between an automobile and a horse-drawn carriage, Morgan was convinced that something must be done to improve traffic safety. He applied for a patent and it was granted November 20th, 1923. Garrett Morgan was a curious and innovative businessman. His curiosity and innovation led to the development of many useful and helpful products. He also invented a gas mask. He had invented it to rescue several men trapped during an explosion in an underground tunnel beneath Lake Erie. The Morgan gas mask was later refined for use by the U.S. Army during World War I in 1921. As a word of Morgan's life-saving inventions spread across North America and England, demand for these products grew. He was frequently invited to conventions and public exhibitions to demonstrate how his inventions worked. Garrett A. Morgan died August 27, 1963, at the age of 86. His life was long and full, and his creative energies have given us a marvelous and lasting legacy. Bill Gates helped invent the MS-DOS, which later developed into Windows OS, which became the system used in the Windows program like Windows 98 and Windows 99, ME and 2000. Carl Benz invented cars. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. There are many famous inventors that are children. 10-year-old Bishop Curry invented a device to prevent hot car deaths. The device would work by detecting whether a child was left in the car, then blowing cold air onto the baby to prevent the child from overheating until the parents or authorities arrive. It attaches to a car seat or actual seat, and it also alerts the police and parents by text that a child is trapped. Bishop calls it the Oasis, and he and his parents have already traveled to the Center for Child Injury Protection Studies annual conference in Michigan to present the idea. 17-year-old Alyssa Chavez invented the hot seat in 2014. Great ideas are everywhere. Use this summer to create something new.